There are so many different substitutes for eggs.
And today we're going to show you our flaxseed egg alternative. Hi friends, we're so glad you could stop by our kitchen today. I'm Dad.
And I'm Keturah.
And today we have a special episode for you. It is a blast from the
past.
That's right. We started our channel in 2014 because I was challenged by another dad to be intentional about making memories with my kids. I enjoyed cooking, and what better way to make memories than in the kitchen? There were a lot of things that happened, and so we had to postpone our channel for quite some time. As we were getting ready to restart our channel, we found a lot of episodes that we forgot to upload. Today we want to share one of those with you, and in 2014 we answered this question.
What is flaxseed egg?
And so we will show that to you here today.
Hi, welcome to today's episode of Kitchen Time with Dad. I'm Dad and I have
Keturah.
And today we're going to make a replacement for a what?
Eggs.
That's right, we are making one egg substitute, really for baking. You don't want to eat it. What we have is we have 1 tablespoon of ground, do you remember? Flax seeds. 1 tablespoon of golden flaxseed that we already ground and stored the rest in the fridge. And we have 3 tablespoons of water, of our filtered water. So we'll go ahead and dump the golden flaxseed into the water and stir it with our whisk. And you stir it up. It's really a runny concoction right now, but you let it sit for about 10 minutes and it coagulates quite a bit and it gels right up. And then at that point you can put it in your recipe. Make your egg replacement before you start the rest of your recipe and it'll be ready in time to use. Thanks for joining us today on Kitchen Time with Dad.
We hope this flaxseed egg episode was helpful for you. We enjoyed watching it. We hope you got some tips for your family. If you are interested in seeing another old episode with Keturah and me, check out the card on the screen right now. If healthy recipes make sense for your family and you would enjoy receiving more, subscribe to our channel and hit the
bell.
And that way you can be notified when our next episode comes out. In the comments below, let's start a conversation about egg substitutes. What is your favorite substitute for eggs? That way we can help each other as we eat healthy food for happy families. We'll see you later.
Can I still stir it? Dad.